Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super yummy and colorful, popsicles and ice cream.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's draw our first popsicle. Draw a tall rectangle for the popsicle shape. Then, draw a small handle at the bottom. That's where we hold it. Now, decorate it with some curved lines going from side to side. This makes it look swirly and tasty. Now let's draw our ice cream cone. Draw a triangle pointing down for the cone. On top, add one big scoop of ice cream. And another scoop right above it. Let's draw a check pattern on the cone, just like a real waffle cone. Next, let's draw our third treat, another popsicle. Draw a tall rectangle. Add a handle at the bottom. This time, decorate it with horizontal lines going across. And for our last treat, let's draw another cone. Draw the triangle cone first. Now, on top, draw a big swirl of ice cream. Start from the bottom and swirl up to a point. Add the check pattern on the cone to make it look yummy and crispy.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork pops off the page. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Here are our colors. Brown color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Pink color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Our popsicles and ice creams look so colorful and tasty. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye, friends.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.